If you want to stop X, formerly Twitter, from sending you those things you missed since you last logged in email notifications, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's get right into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you do not see all the menu options, click More to expand the full list. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls and notification preferences. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section lets you manage what X sends to you across the app, email, and other alerts. Next, click Preferences. Here, you'll find different notification settings grouped by type, so you can customize what you want to receive and what you want to block. After that, click Email Notifications. This area controls the emails X sends to your inbox, including recommendations, updates, and account activity messages. Now scroll through the list until you find things you missed since you last logged into X. Simply toggle this option off. Once it's disabled, X will stop sending those recap emails to your inbox. That's all there is to it. You've now blocked the things you missed since you last logged in email notification on X. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple X and Twitter tutorials.